Nako, tell us more about this new immigration facility, warden facility, na nariyan naman mismo sa compound ng ating new Bilibid Prison sa Muntinlupa City, Madam Dana.
Yes, Sir Alan. Kabubukas lang po ng bagong pasilidad ng Bureau of Immigration a few days back inside the Bucor facility po dyan sa Muntinlupa sa loob po ng Bilibid Prison.
Opo.
So malaking bagay po ito sa Bureau of Immigration kasi kung mapapansin niyo po, in the hundreds yung arrest natin ngayon and yung aming lumang facility cannot anymore accommodate the growing number of foreign nationals that were arrested for various immigration crimes, lalo na po yung pogo na iyan. So, dahil napakadami po nung nahuhuli natin, hindi na po magkasya sa lumang pasilidad at nagpapasalamat po tayo sa Bucor at sa Department of Justice na binigyan nila tayo ng pagkakataon na magamit po itong espasyo na ito.
Okay, and this new facility of the Bureau of Immigration diyan po sa loob ng new Bilibid Prisons, this can actually accommodate up to ilang mga kumbaga naka-detain for various violations of immigration laws, Mandana.
Yes, for comparison, Sir Alan, yung aming lumang pasilidad can accommodate 100 plus. But at its peak, ang laman niya umabot sa 500 despite just having a 100 plus capacity. Ito pong bagong pasilidad galing sa Bucor. Ngayon po, it can accommodate 450 but can be expanded po as much as 700 na mga tao na maaari pong ilagay dito pansamantala bago po ma-implement ang kanilang deportation.
Ayun.